Gusto mo bang maging galawan mo sa table tennis ay ganito? Ayan mga B, kung ganyan yung gusto mong galaw sa table tennis, may mga tips naman ako sa'yo. So, 5 best type of exercises for table tennis players. Disclaimer, syempre, ano ko lang, tawag doon, opinion ko lang naman to. Pero based on my experience, talagang nakatulong naman sila na mag-improve sa game ko. So, first one is squat movement. Squat movement, yan, maganda yan for leg power. Kasi kung titingnan nyo talagang yung lalo mga pro players, ay mga magagaling na higher players, malaki hita. Kasi yung table tennis, ang foundation talaga ng power, mumula sa leg. So, lagi kang parang sumisipa sa sahig para matransfer mo yung power from your legs to your stroke, papunta sa bola. Ano bang magandang gawing squat movement? Kung may gym ka, barbell squat, leg press. Kung wala naman, kung meron kang kettlebell, pwede yung goblet squat, may dumbbells ka, dumbbell squat. Kung wala naman, okay, sige, body weight squat. Ang working sets, 3 working sets, 8 to 12 repetitions, yun, standard. The second one is single leg exercises. Maganda naman ang single leg exercises para sa balance, weight transfer, lalo na weight transfer and lateral movement. Magaling ang kalaban mo bumulak, dalawa kanan. Sige. Weight transfer naman, lalo sa forehand, lalo yung mga magagaling mag-forehand, talagang yung weight transfer nila from one leg to another, talagang maganda, matindi. Para makakatulong sa iyo yung mga single leg exercises tulad ng lunges and Bulgarian split squats. Pwede naman body weight din. Kung wala, dumbbell, kettlebell. Kaya maganda rin talaga meron kang dumbbell tsaka kettlebell kahit sa bahay. Kasi anytime makapag-exercise ka, maliit lang naman sila. So, pwede mo ligpit. Lagay mo sa ilalim ng kama mo, okay na yan. Pangatlo, push movements. Push movements is for upper body. Again, kung may gym ka, barbell bench, flat, incline, spine. Dumbbell bench, flat, incline, spine. Kung wala naman may dumbbell sa bahay, pwede naman nasa mat ka lang o sa sahig. Okay lang yan. Kung wala kang dumbbell, push-ups. Same thing, 3 working sets, 8 to 12, o kaya until failure kung talagang malakas ka na yung push-up mo, lampas 12 reps na, okay na. Sige, sagad mo, 3 working sets. Pang-apat ay hinge movement, core, stability, and posture. Ito importante talaga lalo tingin ko to prevent injuries kasi madalas almost all game naka-hinge movement tayo sa table tennis. Kahit na mag-lateral movement ka, kung strong yung foundation mo, dahil sa hinge movements, hindi loose yung core mo. So, mas stable yung mga galaw mo, hindi ka mabilis ma-injure. Tsaka overall, shot quality. Tsaka mas madali mag-block pag matibay yung core mo. Kasi steady ka lang, baga parang literal na parang pader, diba? Panglima, explosive fly. Oh, by the way, for hinge movement, sample exercises, kung di ko na makalimutan, the best dyan is kung dumbbells, Romanian deadlift, stiff leg deadlift, may gym ka, and barbell deadlift. Kung wala naman, start ka sa mga sasahig, glute bridge, hip thrust. Yan, pwede din yan for your hip hinge exercises. Number 5 is explosive plyometrics. This one is for agility and quick footwork. Yan. Lalo, pag mabilis sa rally, katulad ko, mahilig akong spin to spin counters, left and right. Kaya kailangan explosive yung galaw mo, mabilis ka, yung joints mo sa paa, sanay sa mga ganong transition. Kaya kung condition ka sa explosive plyo exercises, most likely talagang magta-transfer over sa game mo. Lalo pag magagaling na attacker yung kalaban mo. For explosive plyo, ako feeling ko the best is skaters. Kasi hindi lang siya as explosive as you want. Hindi lateral movement tsaka weight transfer talaga mafe-feel mo. Kasi literal na nagkakanan kaliwa ka eh. Skater ka from left to right. Tapos pag try mo mag-shadow ka after nun, forehand stroke, mafe-feel mo talaga na yung kinetic chain from your right leg to your left leg talagang magta-transfer over dun sa head ng raketa papunta sa bola. What else? Ladder drills, yan. Maganda din yan. Explosive tayo. Kung wala naman, tapos kulang ka sa space, pwede ka naman din mag-jump squat. Ganun. Okay, so I hope you find those useful. If you got any comments or questions, just comment it down below. We'll try to answer you the best we can. Again, we are inviting you to our facility at Jackman Plaza, lower ground floor, Muñoz, Quezon City. Open kami from Monday to Sunday, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. And then yung mga mababait naming coaches, si Coach Jeff at Coach Bray. Meron kaming open play, meron kaming leagues, meron kaming coaching, clinics, tournaments. Diba? Masaya doon. So, try nyo lang. Sigurado mag-enjoy kayo. And again, this is Roel. Have a good one. See you at the tables.